My experience with aquaponics. Aquaponics is growing with fish. It utilizes the fish waste to feed the plants. But nonetheless, I did have fun experimenting with aquaponics. Also, and why I made the switch from aquaponics to hydroponics. And this is my journey. Please excuse the bad footage. This was filmed over 10 years ago when I lived in Hawaii. Now there's about 30 medium-sized tilapia in this tank. Now I know you can't see them, but they're in there. This is called a biofilter, and it consists of 4 parts. Basically, you're just filtering out all the doo-doo, number 2, from the water and using the micronutrients from the doo-doo mixed with the water that feeds the plants. This is called a floating raft bed. All it is a piece of styrofoam that you cut some holes in, and then you can put your net cup in your plants. So it just floats on the top of the water. That's about 10 inches deep. And this method works awesome. This is called a gravel bed. It's red cinder, lava rocks, and a pain in the butt to clean. I ended up getting rid of this gravel bed and putting in an NFT system. You'll see that in a few. But before we get to that, let's check out some tomato action. Growing with aquaponics was awesome, using the fish waste to grow your own food. But as I got older, it was hard to keep up. The maintenance is real high on this system. A lot of cleaning. It's just a lot of work. And as I got older, when I got home from work, I just wanted to sit in my recliner and relax. So after 5 years of giving my all, I did make the switch to hydro. There's a lot more to aquaponics than meets the eye. There's these things called nitrate, nitrites, ammonia, and pH. A lot of these parameters need to be dealt with when growing with fish. Well folks, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please check out my other videos on how to grow your own food at home.